What up, what up, what up, what up, what up, what up, crypto warriors? It's Ultra Crypto back at it again. Today is Sunday, April 26, 2020. And in this video today, I'm going to be talking about, investing versus gambling and why buy Bitcoin. So investing, if you're watching the screen, it's right here. If not, here it is. Historically, long-term investments have been profitable. Risk management strategies work. Greater potential gains over time. Return based on taking risk and waiting. Gambling. Historically, casinos have been very profitable. Risk management is tactical, not strategic. Odds of winning don't improve over time. No return for waiting, only for risk taking. Let's get into it. Why buy Bitcoin? The ultimate easiest investment thesis ever. And this is from the website markhelfman.com. Recently, someone asked, why should they buy Bitcoin? As a matter of fact, I've been getting hit up a lot within the last month or so, ever since that whole turmoil of getting on the lockdown and the economy crashing. A lot of my friends have been hitting me up, asking me about Bitcoin, asking me about, investing in cryptos. And as always, I tell them just, watch my videos or I suggest books to them and different articles that they should read, different podcasts and things of that nature. But when it comes down to it, people just want to know about getting the gains, whether or not their money is safe in it and things like that. And it's hard to just, give that kind of advice, especially, I'm not a financial advisor, but just talking about the gains is it's more than that. But here's the easiest way to articulate that, to get your point across why buy Bitcoin. Whenever Bitcoin comes up in conversation, somebody always asks me whether they should buy it. In the midst of financial crisis and pandemic disease, they're still all about the money, not the substance. Do they think they might need a source of money that works when the banks don't? Do they care about the potential social and economic impact of cryptographically secure, time-stamped, distributed ledgers that allow people to exchange things digitally, securely, and instantly? Nope. They don't care. They just want to know, if I put $1,000 in or if I buy a whole Bitcoin, what's the potential of this thing, 10xing from this point on? Next. Keep it simple, stupid. Just like it is in the Marine Corps, the KISS statement comes into play here. Keep it simple, stupid. All right. Its price tends to go up over time. And that's a fact. Point blank, period. Ever since the Genesis block back in 2009, the price of Bitcoin is consistently been going up over time. In case the system falls apart, Bitcoin's technology relies on math, not people. No matter what happens to banks, governments, businesses, or credit card companies, Bitcoin will always work. Bitcoin doesn't care. Bitcoin don't care about your price predictions. Bitcoin don't care about your printing your monies, your hyperinflations, your stock market crashing. Bitcoin doesn't care. Bitcoin will always work. If I want to send you value over the internet or anywhere around the world, Bitcoin, as long as you have access to your wallet via the internet, right, you're able to receive and send Bitcoin. And math never fails, and I put except in Australia, and that's because I remember this story from back in 2017 when the Australian Prime Minister said the laws of mathematics are very commendable, but the only law that applies in Australia is the law of Australia. And this is what Turnbull said, the Prime Minister of Australia at the time. I don't know if he still is. Obviously you can't fix stupid because he's saying that math doesn't work. Only the law in Australia applies. Math never fails. Computers will always do what they're programmed to do regardless of what's going on in the financial markets. Equations do not have counterparty risks. Nobody can default on their Bitcoin. Price tends to go up. Since the its inception, Bitcoin's price has never stayed below the 200-week moving average, a measure of price over time. The line always goes up. So there you have it. If you want to know whether or not you're investing in something that will eventually go up over the price will eventually go up over time, look back in history, all right, and look at the 200-week moving average. Bonus, you can use Bitcoins for stuff. Me, myself, I do accept payment in Bitcoin. As a personal trainer here in New York City, I do accept payment for Bitcoin. You can always send Bitcoin to anybody, anywhere, anytime, in any amount, instantly, with certainty. The payment will go through without needing to collect or share any personal data. While that's no reason to invest, it's a nice perk. You can't you can't do that with stocks, bonds, gold, real estate, tax liens, private equity, businesses, or pretty much any other financial asset. Point blank, period. Bitcoin was the first money over the internet where you were able to send actual value over the internet without a third party risk, without the need for a central entity, without the need for a bank or a government to say whether or not it's okay to send that value to someone else over the internet. And I've had this kind of statement said to me before, oh, you're a professional gambler, when it comes to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is literally the definition of an investment. And here it is, the definition of an investment. The investing of money or capital in order to gain profitable returns as interest, income, or appreciation in value. The dictionary.com, here it is, another definition from Cambridge Dictionary. No Bitcoin standard. Lots of people will offer all sorts of reasons to invest in Bitcoin. They're all valid, but they change all the time. For me, in the beginning, it was just about the dough. Especially because I came in 2017, it was just about trying to get the gains, Bitcoin to the moon. And of course, as Bitcoin tends to do, once you jump in and you start, going into that rabbit hole, you find out that thing goes super deep. And I'm still digging my way through it right now. Store of value, permissionless money, digital gold, non-correlated asset, medium of exchange, hedge against inflation, replacement for fiat. Like, Bitcoin is all this and much more to different people, to everyone that's involved with Bitcoin all around the world. Me, it's all of this and more. It's also a way to exit the current system. The current system is corrupt unless you're close to the money printer that go right? You're not going to benefit in this current debt-based system. To me, Bitcoin is a way to exit this current system. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, I'm going to leave this article linked in the description below. Please share this video and also this article if you're having a hard time trying to explain why should someone buy Bitcoin. I think I've broken this video or this article down, shotgun style, to be able to explain it to anyone why they should buy Bitcoin. It's Sergeant Crypto. Thanks for watching. Smash the likes, share the video, leave a comment below, let me know what you think, and I'm out. Peace.